Wheelchair Basketball Club was established about 14 years ago, and we started out with about 2 or 3 players, all of whom are still playing for the club today. And we have quite a diverse membership, people from ages 3 right through to players over 60. We're the only wheelchair basketball club in South Wales, so people do travel to get the club and the atmosphere that they like.
I live in Loughborough, so it's about a 2.5-hour drive to come here every week as well and train with the Celts. Celts is a really, really big family club, and I've been here since I was 8. I'm 20 now, so I've been here for 12 years.
We do also have a junior session in Clwb, and that's where all of our youngsters and our future Celts players are.
When I was that young, I had to play with the older guys, and I was a bit out of my depth, so we've got like the little kiddies there, the 10, 12-year-olds. I think there's even some like 8-year-olds there, so it's amazing.
Mae'n hyfforddwr ni Caroline wedi bod yn chwarae i GB a wedi datblygu lot o sgiliau fyna felly, a nawr mae'n helpu i dysgu y gêm iddyn ni ac i datblygu'r holl sgiliau fel tîm.
Cardiff Celts has a really high standard of basketball. We went straight through the league divisions to First Division for 2 seasons. We've recently been demoted to Division 2, so the whole push for this season is to win back promotion to the First Division for next season.
Os ni'n gallu symud lan i'r cyngrair uwch, tymor nesaf bydd hwnna'n gwych. Bydd ni'n gallu chwarae tîmoedd sydd los yn gwell na ni, ond os ni'n gallu cystadlu, bydd hwnna'n codi ysbryd y tîm yn gwych.
A lot of people don't realise that non-disabled people also participate, so there's an opportunity at our junior and senior sessions for friends of people who are disabled to take part with them, and it really puts everyone on an even playing field. It's a fantastic sports club with a great atmosphere.
Everybody gets on really well. There's lots of banter and camaraderie. It's like playing ball with your mates. It doesn't really get much better than that.